The Consumer Council has a range of tools to help you save money on your home energy costs and make sure you're getting the best deal. This video is a step-by-step guide of how to use the electricity price comparison tool. Have a copy of your latest bill handy. You will need it to check which product you are currently using and how much electricity you are using. Choose your energy type. In this instance, click Electricity. Select your current supplier. Choose your current payment method. You will either have a credit meter where you get a bill or a prepayment meter that you top up online or at a local shop. E-bill means you receive your bill by email. If you have a prepayment meter, you would need to request a meter change if you want to switch to a credit meter. If you currently get your bill in the post, you might wish to change to e-billing and set up a direct debit. This option can save you money. After you have selected how you pay currently and how you wish to pay, click Continue. Select your current tariff, which is the product you have, then select the frequency you pay, either every other month, monthly, or quarterly. How much is your average bill? Check your latest bill to find this information and then simply enter this into the tool. Your results are then calculated instantly. The results page lists the number of tariffs available that can save you money. The tool gives you an estimate of how many units you use in a year and how much you normally spend. Please read the information for each product as this explains standing charges, exit fees, maximum charges, and if it's available to new customers only. Remember, you can always contact suppliers by phone or email to discuss tariffs to make sure you're definitely getting the best rate possible. Click on More Information to get contact details for the supplier and get in touch to make the switch. We hope this video has been useful. If you need any assistance, call our Consumer Protection team on 0800 121 6022 and they can help you use the tool.